Welcome back to another video from Future Focus. If you are new to our videos, welcome to our family. We make videos regularly considering a vast number of topics, so kindly watch the video completely and subscribe to our channel. Now, let us talk about the special issue we had set aside for the video without further delay. How many of you use Instagram? Instagram is one of the top-rated social media platforms. Here, you can like, share, and comment on videos and public posts. You can also follow family and friends and upload memorable photos. In short, Instagram is an all-rounded social media platform. Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger launched Instagram in 2010. Users may upload media to the app, alter it with filters and groups using hashtags and geographical labeling. In addition, users may explore trending material and browse other content by tags and places. Facebook Inc. purchased the service in April 2012 for around $1 billion in cash and equity. What is time well spent on social media? If you were to ask yourself what is a good way to spend your time, scrolling through social media would not be at the top of your list, yet we do it daily, devoting many hours to something that does not make us happy. Social media platforms continuously strive to improve their users' experiences by employing algorithms that make content relevant to their users' interests. But despite our efforts, the subject of why we spend so much time on social media and feel horrible about it remains unanswered. As a result, there is a significant shift in how social media users are approached, with additional features concerning how much time they spend online. As the issue of spending an addictive amount of time online becomes more widely discussed, the questions of ethics in blasting people with material arises. With their platforms, major corporations such as Amazon, Google, and Facebook are attempting to improve people's lives. They promote the concept that there should be experiences that make social media content what it should be: celebrations, vacations, and other things you do outside of social media. Instagram's update on daily time limit. According to recent research, people who spend numerous hours on Facebook and Instagram typically feel more alienated and prone to anxiety and despair. As a result, Facebook will be releasing new tools in the coming weeks to help individuals control their time on these applications. They are as concluded. An activity dashboard displays how much time you spend on Facebook or Instagram. A daily reminder to stop after you've reached your daily time limit, a method of muting alerts. These tools are accessible from the settings page of any app. Amit Ranadive, Instagram's product management director, and David Ginsburg, Facebook's research director, issued a blog post Wednesday explaining the new capabilities, emphasizing that the firms had a duty to understand how much time users spend on these applications. They also mentioned a few partners that met in March for a safety summit to examine these challenges, such as school groups, researchers, and academics. They stated that developers would examine their usage and add new capabilities as these tools become more widely used. For example, this may involve analyzing how much time people spend on social media compared to their colleagues. Instagram added the Your Activity feature in 2018 to measure how much time users spend on the app. In addition, the photo and video sharing platform modifies the daily time restriction settings introduced with the function in a new move. Users could previously set a time limit as low as 10 minutes each day on the app. The most recent update reduces that time to 30 minutes. The changes to daily time limit settings come only a few days after Instagram debuted its Take a Break feature, which is intended to assist users in taking breaks from using the app. Instagram now offers daily time limits of 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. Previously, users could set a time limit of 15 minutes to limit their daily access to the app. TechCrunch was the first to notice the change in Instagram settings. According to the article, the social media platform informs users via pop-ups that appear on top of their feeds following the latest app update, requesting that they alter the daily time restriction choice. We have now reached the end of the video. In short, Instagram is a well-liked social media network. Users may upload media to the app and edit it with filters, groups, hashtags, and geographic labeling. However, according to studies, people who spend a lot of time on Facebook and Instagram tend to feel more isolated and prone to worry and depression. As a result, Facebook will be releasing new tools to help people manage their time on these apps. Instagram introduced the Your Activity tool to track how much time users spend on the app. Previously, users could set a daily time restriction as low as 10 minutes. The most recent version cuts this duration down to 30 minutes. Instagram's product management director, Amit Ranadive, and Facebook's research director, David Ginsburg, published a blog post on Wednesday. What do you think about the update on Instagram? Do you use it too? Let us know in the comments below. We would like to hear from you. If you liked the video, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our content. Thank you.